Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to bake meringue kisses. Whip 4 egg whites with 1/4 TSB cream of tartar until soft peaks form, then add 200 g sugar gradually while whisking until glossy stiff peaks. Pipe onto a baking sheet and bake low and slow at 225 degrees F for about 60 minutes, then cool with the oven door ajar to dry them out. These small tips help ensure light, crisp results every time. Start by measuring and prepping everything within arm's reach to keep momentum while whipping. Separate 4 large egg whites into a totally dry bowl and bring them to room temperature for a few minutes. Preheat the oven to 225 degrees F and line baking sheets with parchment. Gradually add 200 g sugar 1 tablespoon at a time while whisking to glossy stiff peaks to prevent grainy meringues and ensure stability. Pipe meringue kisses using a small star tip or spoon them into 1-inch mounds to promote even baking. Bake at 225 degrees F for 50 to 70 minutes depending on size, then turn the oven off and leave the door ajar so the kisses dry slowly without browning. This gradual cooling prevents cracking and yields a crisp exterior with a light, airy interior that melts in your mouth when served.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.